Okay, as we are talking about setting up a notification, you can also set up a scheduled task from this scheduled task option. So if you come here, you can see there how you can deploy a general runner by simply clicking here, and then it will take you to our documentation here. So here's the details about how you can deploy your own general runner. So you can deploy your own general runner and set up a scheduled task option from this scheduled task section. So here what you can do is you can create a new task from this option and just simply add the testing scenario that you want to add from this option. Then configure a few details like the environment. If you want to run with the test data, you can also select that here. And then in the run mode, you can select the run cycle, like if you want to run it hourly basis or weekly basis, or selecting the time that you want to run this test cases on. And also your deployed runner will be showcased here, so you can select the runner that you want to run this test on. And if needed, you can also set up a notification here, and in the notification target I already showcased, you can set up all this channel to get the notification from. So this way you can also set up a scheduled task monitoring to run your test cases in a scheduled manner and see if it's run properly, and if there is any cases that's missing or failed, then you get a notification to solve this issue as soon as possible.